Hi there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to see how to use double tilde, two tildes operator in JavaScript. So this operator is called tilde, and when you use two times, it is called double binary not operator. It is also called as double negation or two tildes. So how you can use this in JavaScript? So this is really interesting. Let's see. Let me open our console first and go to our JavaScript. Okay, let's say I have one number and number is 12.897123 something. Okay, and what I'm going to do, console dot log. I'm using one JavaScript mathematical function, math dot, there is one function math dot floor, and you need to pass the number. So what this function is doing, so math is a object, is an object, JavaScript object for basic mathematics functionality and constants, and floor is a function. It returns the greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. So I'm passing this numeric argument 1 2 point something. This is a number, right? Let's go and check. This is returning integer 12. Okay, so this is very noun and easy to use function to get the nearest value, the greatest integer less than or equal to its numerical argument, right? So this is fine. You can also use this operator, console.log. Here you can pass two times tilde and this number and see what it is returning. It is returning the same number, right? So you can say this two times tilde symbol can be used as a replacement of mathematical floor function. Isn't this interesting? Right? So in simple words, you can say you can use this operator instead of math.floor. And what are the benefits, you will ask? It's faster and easier to use and remember. Am I right? So next time when you are going to use math.floor function, remember to use this double tilde symbol instead of math.floor function. All right. Please let me know in comments if you heard of this operator in JavaScript, and I would like to hear about your comments. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for my next video and hit the bell icon to get notified. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Bye.